Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see your reviews on Amazon. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Amazon Shopping app. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to see your reviews on Amazon account, you need to go to your profile. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on it. Now at the top, you can see the account section. Tap on it. Now scroll all the way down, and under the personalized content section, here you can see the profile option. Tap on it. It says you don't have a profile yet, so you need to create a profile first. Here you can see create content option. Tap on it. You can create the content by reviewing the products that you have purchased before, or you can post videos and photos of the Amazon products, or you can create the idea list. So in order to perform any of these tasks, you must have purchased a product from Amazon account. If I select this review option, it will take me to review your purchases section, and as I have not purchased any products from Amazon yet, I cannot give any reviews. So all you need to do is make sure that you have purchased at least one product from Amazon. Only then after you can review on that product. And after that, in order to view those reviews, as I've said before, you can go to this profile section and you'll be able to see your reviews on your Amazon. So that's it. That's how you can see your reviews on Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.